My name is Satsaraj. I am from class 5, 2 Umar Primary School. My project is a battery. A battery has two terminals, one has positive and other has negative. Electrons flow from positive to negative to positive terminal. Electrons flow positive to terminal to negative terminal.
I am from class 5 from Umarpura Public School, Ahmadpur Lamma. Its project is battery. A battery has two terminals. One is positive and other is negative. Electron flow from negative to positive terminal. Negative to positive terminal. The flow of electron is called electric current.
My name is Mohammad Abdul Rafiq, class 5 from उमरपुरा पब्लिक स्कूल। ये मेरा प्रोजेक्ट है। मैंने एक बैटरी ली, इसका बल्ब की तार एक बैटरी में लगाई तो बल्ब चल गया। फिर एक मोटर के ऊपर पंखा लगाया, फिर पंखे की तार बैटरी में लगाया तो पंखा चल गया। My name is Nurshipatna from class 5. ये मेरा प्रोजेक्ट है। मेरे प्रोजेक्ट बैटरी है। बैटरी के अंदर दो टर्मिनल होते हैं, एक पॉजिटिव और एक नेगेटिव। नेगेटिव के अंदर इलेक्ट्रॉन ज़्यादा होते हैं, इलेक्ट्रॉन पॉजिटिव के अंदर जाते हैं और फिर करंट।
My name is Arisha Rana. I am class 5 from school Umarpura Public School, Ahmadpur Lamma. My project is about switch. Switch is used to open or close a circuit. When the switch is on, the circuit is complete. Current can flow.
My name is Anudeep. I am from class 5. I work from class 5 from Umarpur Public School, Ahmadpur Lamma. My project is about switch. Switch is open and closed with the circuit. Circuit is open and